Go.
Hi, my name is Lily. Let me bring my brother. Oops. Yes, this is my brother. He's just too lazy to walk. I'm gonna show him.
Too bad.
Hello. My name is Clive and I saw a tiny fur.
I am Francis.
Hi, my name is Clive. I actually saw a dinosaur. Maybe it's a special one. Let me buy it. Look at him. He's also lazy to walk. Where the dinosaur? Not lazy. Okay, he's lazy again. Someone come in. This is my dog. She's lazy to talk. She talks, but I leave her talk. She's always quiet and lazy.
Oh, I feel bad for you.
No. Get up. You're not belong here. Yes, you will belong here.
Monster will eat you. I'm craving for you.
No. I'm gonna eat you out.
Karma on that monster.
Okay, he's dead.
Oh.
My name is Potato. I am Potato. I am Potato. She's lazy to watch. This is the last character. I'll show all of the characters after Piggy. And after that, okay?
Okay.
Hi, my name is Piggy. And then let me introduce you all the characters. This is Monster. This is Dinosaur. This is who is this? Francis is lazy to walk. This is Clive. This is me, Hillary. This is Potato. And that is Holly. And she's my dog.
Say Happy Puppet Show.